Hi everyone, Tridib here from Tridib Goes Tech, TGT, and welcome to the unboxing video of the iPhone 12 mini green color variant. Now, unlike all other iPhone 12 mini videos, this is not going to be a long detailed review. We have too many such videos in YouTube already. Instead, we will unbox it and then take you through the setup process to transfer all your data from your old device, including the contacts and all the SMS messages, and then I will compare the size with some others available iPhones in the market so that you can get the idea about the size and how small is it actually. So here is the iPhone 12 mini box from the front, and at the back it says iPhone 12 mini green 64GB, and the price mentioned here is 69,900 Indian rupees, but right now it is selling for almost 56,000 Indian rupees with some bank credit card discounts online. Pretty slim and trim box this year, and we all know the reason already. Let's quickly peel off the plastic. And then open the box. At the very top we are greeted with the iPhone itself at its full glory. Let's peel off the screen cover. Matte aluminium finish at the sides. Okay, let's keep that aside, and then we have the USB-C to lightning cable. Then we have the SIM ejector pin, some paperwork, and lastly a single Apple sticker. And that is all for this year. No headphones, no power breaks. Thanks Apple. Let's keep all these aside and have a look at the device itself. The top is absolutely clean. At the right we have the power button and the antenna lines. At the bottom we have the microphone grill, lightning port and the speaker grill. The left side contains the volume up and down buttons, the SIM card slot and the mute unmute switch as usual. The back contains the camera module, flash and a microphone along with the Apple logo at the center. The camera module contains 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide lenses this year. At the front we have the same notch and 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display with OLED this year in all the models. The front glass also have the Apple ceramic shield coating this year, which according to Apple is the most durable glass in any smartphone. Okay, now let's boot the device and set it up. Swipe up and select your country and region, then set up manually, press continue, then select your Wi-Fi network, or else you can connect to the PC as well. Type your Wi-Fi key and you are good to go. Then you have to accept and continue with the data and privacy, and then set up your Face ID here. After setting it up, you have to create a passcode for the device. Then you have to select whether you want to set up as a new device or restore from an existing iCloud backup or transfer directly from iPhone, which is we are going to do in this case. For that, you have to bring in your old device closer and scan the code with your old device camera. Here we go. It's now setting up. Now enter the passcode of your old device to the new one, and then it says transfer data from the iPhone XR, which is the old device here. I will continue with that, accept terms and conditions. Keep your iPhone updated. Set up iMessage and FaceTime. Then set up Apple Watch. As I already have an Apple Watch paired with my old iPhone, that will automatically transfer to the new device as well. Now for improved Siri and for app analysis, I select not now, and we have landed on the iOS update page. You will only see this if Apple has a latest public iOS release while you set it up. The update will take some time, and once it is finished, you will see this transferring data from iPhone XR which is the old device. Once done, in your older device you will see transfer complete message, and your new device will reboot to the restore complete page. After that, you will be greeted to the home page in your new device, and all your settings, apps and layouts will be exact replica of your new device. Even you will get all your SMS messages as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Now guys, here is a quick size comparison with iPhone SE first generation and iPhone XR. iPhone SE first gen has a 4-inch screen, the iPhone 12 mini has a 5.4-inch, and iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch screen. Now here is a side-by-side comparison with the original iPhone SE. Just look at the similarities here guys. Almost the same compact square of design, but a bigger and better screen. That is really nice. Here look at the difference in display sizes as well. So here it is, the smallest 5G phone in the market right now. Really lightweight and pretty nice grip as well. Now this is how a mobile phone is actually supposed to be, solid and compact. And I have to say the green color looks fantastic. Do try this color if you are buying one. So that's it for this video guys. From now on I'll be using it as my main device and will come back to you with my detailed user experience review after a few weeks. And if you have anything to say or anything to ask, please write it down in the comment section below. Do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.